Is it possible to change the music speed on Spotify? Let's find out. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys if you can change the speed of music, whether it be you want to slow down or speed up something on your Spotify, if you can do that or not. To find out, stick till the end, so let's begin. First thing first, open your Spotify, and if you play any music, you don't see any option to speed up musics. But there is a cool feature that Spotify has provided us, and that is you can change the speed of your podcast. Most podcasts can be very long, like an hour up to 2 hours, and even longer than that. And they have given a speed up feature which is very useful. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. First thing first, you can tap on this search icon to head over to the podcast section. You can choose anything, so just tap on it, and then you should be able to play any podcast right here. So let's say if I want to play this one, which is an hour and 40 minutes long, I'm just going to tap on play. And once you open your podcast, on the bottom of your screen, you see this speed icon. By default, it should be on 1x, and you can change it according to your choice. So on the bottom left of your screen, you see this, and you can do it manually, or you can find the pre-built options like 1.2, 1.5, 1.8, or 2x. You can even go more than 2x, so you can go up to 3x depending on how fast you can understand. And by doing this, you can change the speed of the podcast on Spotify. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.